Dum da doo dum dum da da dum 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 da da. Hi guys, as promised, I've got Metallic Ratchet out of his plastic prison, and I've got the figure. Whoops! Right here, I just knocked the water everywhere. And this review is brought to you by Chocolate Capri Square. Yummy. Okay, so we've got an Ratchet tree and a normal Ratchet, and the other normal Ratchet here and here. I can't be bothered to read this thing out to you. Too long. So just to prove to you. Don't waste time. And so, protect or destroy. Sorry about that. Felt like it. Anyway. Metallic Ratchet. He might not look like. He might not look metallic. God. Yay, it stayed! But it is. Now. It's lime green with red going across here. Up, down, up, down, up. And search and rescue, fire department. And what about symbol? Sure enough. Search and rescue, fire depth, which stands for fire department. Never. Plastic wheels, I have customized him just a bit. His feet aren't green, just like in the box. That's Hasbro for you. Translucent windows, actual side mirrors, whatever. Now, this thing comes off, that comes off, and that comes off. So they can put them back together. Now, the red siren, in those lines there, the indentation says Hummer. There's a tie here that isn't replaceable. Oh well, who really cares? Alright. Nice vehicle form. I rate it 8.5 out of 10. The only thing I don't like. Oops. Yep. Just as usual. Anyway, get to the transformation. First thing you want to do is yank this thing. The claw, which mine isn't loose. Look, push it forward. Let go. Woohoo. Okay, so it looks more like a Hummer now. Red triangle. So here he is in his normal Hummer mode, but he won't be for long. Let's tear this guy up. Okay, now what you want to do is grab this bit in the door and just pull it out. No, it's not really that hard. And just push it forward, like so. Now, this bit is fold up. I seriously can't be bothered to push the camera off again. You grab the windows and you just fold them back. Like that. And you just... Damn. Again. There we go. So then you rotate his arms like so. Grab this, fold it down, split the legs apart, twist them around, and it. See, that was one of the pieces. Damn. 2 ticks. You cannot run away from the master of stuff. Get back on. Okay, maybe not so easily. Damn it. Good. Now this guy has the worst automorph in the world. Look, his kneecap comes out. Watch this bit. Look, his kneecap comes out when he folds his foot down. Watch this bit. See how far it pops out? Yeah. Take note of this one. My god. Whistling that to that. Oh my god. Something wrong with my figure, I think. Oh well. I don't really care. It's bogus it's bogus. Sort him off anyway. What you do is you just fold this thing up and you just fold his chest down like that. So just rotate it down 90 degrees like this. And it just clips in to become his chest. Now rotate his arms up like that. Pull them down. Rotate him 180, sorry. Just them up. Follow down. Now this bit magically folded in. This bit is folded in. Both of them. Now, that one doesn't magically fold in. Sorry for all of you out there who believe in magic. You bozos. This bit, you fold up. Magic does not exist. And it reveals his head. Hi. And that's pretty much his transformation. Yep. Let's just set him there. See? No green feet. Haven't customized him yet. And I won't make him shiny metal looking. Like his arms. Oh no way, I'm making him green. I did the back part of his arms too. Anyway, now you can see a lot more red. There's red there. Red there. Red on his head. See that stripe there? And across his nose. Right there, so he's got a cold. You should use tissues, Ratchet. Inside his legs. It's not normal. Bit of wiring here. See? And his balls plate thing. So he doesn't go down fighting. Oh, I just found this out. Orange lights there. Kill. Alright, let me just show you his weapons. Now this is probably the worst. You flip this little flap up. Fold his hand in. Oh, you just fold this out first. Fold his hand in. Put the flap on. Turn his hand like that. Push it out and just fold it out. And look at this. His supposed axe. Yeah. Gotta kill some Decepticons today. Shit, right. Yeah. Let's do this. Fold out his hand again. Close that. Push it in. And it just clips in, so, you know, looks like that. This one. Just clip it on there. See how it's got this line in here? Where is it? Where did it go? There it is. So it can only fit in that way. Go on! Come on, thank you. So I can push it down. Because mine's not loose because it's new. Now, oh yeah, I need to detach it first. Die. Yeah, I'm gonna chop some Decepticons into pieces now, and whoa, I'm going to kill you all. It says on the box there's a dual cannon. This is not a cannon. Well, I guess you can say these are like lasers or, you know, missiles, but it is no way a dual cannon. If you want it off and you don't want it lying around in stop motion, then guess what? Never. There's a hole there. You can put it that way. If you kind of do some dremeling, you can put it that way so he has sirens over his head, like in the movie. So yeah, very nice. Overall, he gets an 8.5 out of 10. Subscribe to my videos. Exclusive first look, as promised, metallic Ratchet. Saying, all for one and one for all. Ciao.